Center, Rockford, UPS 102 Heavy is 11,000, descending 3,000.
UPS 102 Heavy, Rockford approach, Rockford altimeters 2902. You can expect visual approach, runway 1, unless you'd like runway 19, just let us know. And you can descend at pilot's discretion, maintain 3,000.
All right, you to 3,000, and is there a way you can get a hold of our company? We're trying to call when we can't get a hold. If you can call our company and let them know that we're coming back, that'll be fine. That'll be good.
I'll get that info for you. And UPS 102 Heavy, yeah, your company knows about it. They called here to the tower.
All right, okay, thank you.
And UPS 102 Heavy, do you have any idea of how the engine fire happened?
Climbing out, we had an engine fire light, and then we started running the checklist, and then the light went out, it extinguished. So right now we do not have an engine fire, but we're going back for precaution, obviously, you know, if we had an engine fire indication.
UPS 102 Heavy, roger. R2903, UPS said that they departed, and they're not, there's no reason for the fire, really. They didn't give a reason for that. They just said that the engine light for a fire was on, and it extinguished, and it's out now. Too Heavy, do you have information, Kilo?
Ground, Ops 1.
Ops 1, ground.
Ops 1 is at the main ramp.
Ops 1, proceed on Foxtrot, Alpha, cross runway 25 at Alpha, proceed interior taxiways.
Foxtrot,
UPS 102 Heavy, do you have information, Kilo?
Can you read that off to me real fast?
UPS 102 Heavy, affirmative. Wind is 150 at 4, visibility 10, 25,000 scattered, temperature 17, dew point 12, altimeter 2903.
All right, thank you.
And UPS 102 Heavy, we do have equipment standing by. UPS 102 Heavy, just report the field and sights at your 11 o'clock, 20 miles.
Okay, we'll call the field. Field and sight, UPS 102.
UPS 102 Heavy, your cleared visual approach, runway 1, and runway 1 cleared to land, wind 150 at 4, and again, Rockford altimeters 2903.
All right, 2993, clear to land, actually clear for the approach, clear to land on runway 1, UPS 102 Heavy.
check.
Wind 150 at 5. All right, for 2903 or 2902, +1, affirmative, you're approved on runway 1. UPS 102 Heavy, you can make a left at the end, and then Bravo, Foxtrot to parking, remain this frequency.
Left at the end, Bravo, Foxtrot with you to parking, UPS 102 Heavy.
UPS 102 Heavy, do you need any further assistance?
Not at this time, thank you, sir.
Roger. Ops 1 ground. Ops 1, proceed on runway 1.